When I'm stressed, bothered, angry, I do what she's doing. I clench my jaw. And at night, that very same stress lingers, causing me to clench and grind my teeth sometimes. If you're wondering why you wake up with a sore jaw, well, this could be it. According to the American Dental Association, the number of patients reporting symptoms of jaw clenching or teeth grinding has increased by a whopping 69% since 2020. The medical disorder is called Bruxism. It's when you clench or grind your teeth unconsciously at night or even during the day. People with Bruxism may wake up with a sore or stiff jaw or neck, headaches or ringing in the ears, and it can lead to damaged teeth.
Wearing a guard at night is your first line of defense against bruxism, according to some dentists. A guard puts space between your upper and lower teeth and allows your jaw muscles to relax. A guard that's made by your doctor or an endodontist will probably be more effective than an over-the-counter one, but also more expensive.
Experts may also advise seeing a physical therapist trained to treat bruxism that can teach you exercises to stretch or to strengthen or relax your muscles in your neck and jaw, and that can lead to clenching and grinding as well. Now, coming up at 5:30, you get to ask the dentist your questions, from whitening toothpaste to why do your gums bleed, when should your kids see the dentist, and do those floss picks work just as good as the old school floss? You can text your question to 336-379-5775. Your questions are anonymous, but you get the answer in real time.